Welcome back to another quick stitch tutorial by Burnley and Trowbridge. I'm Melissa, and today we will show you how to do a rolled whip gather and how to attach it to another piece of fabric. Using a piece of fabric that is cut straight along the grain line, hold the edge taut between your thumb and forefinger of both hands and gently roll the fabric back and forth between one thumb and forefinger. This causes the edge of the fabric to tightly roll onto itself. You can roll up or down when you're doing your rolled hem, whatever is more comfortable for you. Once your edge is rolled, you want to whip around the edge with a whip stitch. Insert your needle just below the rolled edge and wrap the thread around the rolled edge, being careful not to catch the edge of your roll in your stitch. Try to keep your stitches evenly spaced to give nice, neat gathers. Continue working by rolling and whipping over the rolled edge. Once you have made a few stitches, gather them down by pulling the thread and sliding the fabric towards your anchored end. Once you've finished gathering the fabric to your desired measurement, anchor the end of your thread. Once you have finished whipping your gathers and pulled them up snug and anchored your thread, we are ready to attach the whip gathers to another fabric, usually the fabric that you have already done your rolled hem on. So we're going to align the two edges of the fabric right sides together and whip them together. The thread should nest into the grooves of the whip gathers as you stitch. Once you have finished attaching your two pieces of fabric, gently press the seam open and you have a beautiful join. Thanks again for joining us. To keep updated on all that we do, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Happy sewing!